On the Peugeot 208, to turn on cruise control, we have a little controller here hidden behind the steering wheel. And you can see here on the screen, there's no sign up here for cruise control. So to turn on cruise control, there's a wheel just here, and we can turn it. So there's three positions. So you have the middle position, up, middle position, down. So in the middle position is what we see on the screen. We turn it up. This is the maximum limit the cruise control will go out to, and we turn it back so it's pointing all the way down. Now we have, I'll turn it on again, cruise control paused. So there's two buttons here. You can press the buttons, I think they're either on the back or at the side, and you can actually go up and down. Yeah, so we're not driving at the moment, but you can go plus and minus. You can see there's plus and minus. When you switch between plus and minus, you'll actually increase or decrease the cruise control. So you can actually go from 100 kilometers up to 120 kilometers just by keep tapping this. So it'll go up in 1 kilometer increments. So it'll be 100, 101, 102, 103, all the way up. And it's the same going back down. You can actually set it to lower positions. If you want to overtake or turn off cruise control or just pause it, you push it in at the side just here, and a little screen will turn up, cruise control disabled or paused. You can use the accelerator, brake and clutch, and then to re-engage it, just tap it again and it'll turn on the previous setting, and then you can also go up and down through your speeds. That's how you work the cruise control in the Peugeot 208.